Here we saw a pretty big move in the Dow. Keep in mind the open was a lot lower, right near the prior range, and it's not showing that tick. I tried to get it working for some reason, but it's inconsequential. We know where we really saw the move go here. Had a very nice move to the upside. This was important to really see this take off on the day, and I do think we'll see this try to come back into the 17,900, maybe even 18,000. But as it moves up into this range, this is where it's going to get a little sketchy here because we had the prior tops right in here. That'll provide some resistance. We also are doing a retracement from the initial swing down of this swing down. The main swing it's held, which is very important here. When we look at the retracements, we can also look at it from this standpoint here, and most of the time really should do it from the main swing here. For example, we see this from the main high here. We see the low, and we could see clearly that prices held around the 50% retracement. So it is still very normal of a move for this to kind of go through this downward action, and then start to make that move up and try to make another retest. Now, and I also want to make it very clear, although I've been bearish because this was the call we had as far as the overall targets, all three of them hit. All three of them hit at the exact time of where we thought we'd start to see the correction. We did say that we were overextended. We'd start to see the rally, and I'm a firm believer that you can't try to fight the trend. Now, what we were talking about it here is that we're in a regression channel type of formation, and this could be right in the midpoint. We talked about that yesterday, so this could really be a legitimate move back and could retest the highs, and that would be completely normal and understandable based upon this being in a regression channel. But what we want to see the bears would want to see from a more negative standpoint is, as this starts to rally, it be a short-lived rally and then a break back down, which I think could clearly happen here because we were seeing some divergence on the short term. I would watch and get very skeptical as it moves toward this 18,000 unless it really starts to break those ranges. I'm still a little bit on the bearish side, although I know we should see maybe 2 more days of this up move. So I would be bullish for maybe 2 days here, and then start to get a little more skeptical and less proven that we're going to break to some newer highs here.